Welcome guys. Today our topic is the pebble art. You are watching on the screen the different pebbles, painted fishes. You are watching the pebbles paint model on the cow. You are watching another pebble frame frog shape. You are watching the painted stones, oval, two oval. You are watching the rocks, rock climbing model. You are watching a doll made by the stones, painted stones, pink color. You are watching a mirror decorating with the pebbles, stones. You are watching the caterpillar uh, painted. You are watching a doll frame. You are watching a bee, a bee cute. You are watching the butterfly uh, made with the stones, painted stones. You are watching the flowers uh, decorate with the pebbles. You are watching the frame. uh, you are watching the a frame made with the painted stones, rocks. You are watching a giraffe painted decorate with the stones. You are watching a line made with the stones, painted stones. You are watching a ladybug sitting on the flower made with the stones. You are watching different stones colored. You are watching another frame made with the pebbles, painted pebble fishes. You are watching a honey bee sitting on the flower. You are watching the footprints made with the stones, different sizes. You are watching the oval frame made with the stones. You are watching a plant pot, two stones inside. You are watching a frame made with the pebbles, stones, rocks, different sizes. You are watching another frame, family frame made with the you are panda watching. You are on the screen. You are watching some stones decorating. You are watching a man sitting on a commode made with the stones. You are watching different stones, different colors and different characters. You are watching a oval sitting on a. You are watching a couple romance made with the stones. You are watching a plant pot decorating